Good day to you. My name is Graham Paddock, and today I'm going to talk to you about the duration and termination of managing agency contracts. People often ask, particularly when they're unhappy with service they're getting from a managing agent or the way they've been treated by one, how can the body corporate terminate the managing agent's contract? Does the managing agent have to be in breach of the contract? Can the trustees do this, or must it be the owners? And what if the contract provides for penalties? Well, the prescribed management rules deal with these issues in Prescribed Management Rule 28, 7 and 8. You need to study the contract, get a copy of it, see when it was entered into, when it's due to expire, and what it provides in regard to cancellation. But whatever the contract provides, there are four basic legal principles extracted from Prescribed Management Rule 28, 7 and 8. Number one is in regard to the maximum duration. A management agreement cannot continue for more than 3 years. A new contract can be entered into, of course, but an existing contract cannot be extended so as to last longer than 3 years. The second is the decision not to renew on expiry. Members can, by ordinary resolution, take this decision and instruct the trustees not to renew the contract. They can do this before it expires, and they can instruct the trustees not to enter into a new contract. The trustees can also make this decision by themselves, and here they just need a majority vote. 3, cancellation in terms of the contract. If the contract allows for cancellation by the body corporate and the body corporate has the right to exercise that cancellation right because the managing agent is in breach, for example, the owners can, by ordinary resolution, instruct the trustees to cancel, and they must do so. The trustees can also make this decision by majority vote. Then fourth, the cancellation without penalty. Well, even if the contract does not allow the body corporate to cancel, or if it does, but the body corporate cannot prove that the managing agent is in breach, the owners are still entitled to authorize cancellation without penalty. A provision in the contract to the effect that the body corporate will be liable for a penalty or any other type of liability on cancellation is not enforceable if the owners authorize that cancellation by special resolution and the body corporate gives the managing agent 2 months' notice of termination. That's the story in regard to cancelling management agreements in 4 points. Thank you for joining me.